we will study different type of logical and shift instructions. Okay, so if you look at the microprocessor, so there are different type of instructions. One is a data transfer instruction. Okay, so the data transfer instruction, the classical example of data transfer instruction is the move instruction. So we can move the data between different elements of the system. So what are the possibilities? The possibilities are there that we can transfer the data from one register to another register. We can transfer the data from a register to memory, or from memory to register, or we can also transfer the data from a memory location to another memory location. We can also use immediate addressing mode, in which the operand is a part of instruction and we are transferring an immediate value to a register or to a memory location. So the another example of the instruction is data transformation instruction. So in the data transformation, we perform actually the transformation on the data, and the classic, and it can be further decomposed into three types. So it can be divided into arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, and the shift instruction. Different example of arithmetic instruction are add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So we are adding two operands in an add instruction, one subtracting one operand from another operand in subtract instruction. So this is an example of arithmetic instruction. And now we also have a logical instruction, that is a logical AND, a logical OR, logical exclusive OR, exclusive. It can be another type. It can also be exclusive NOR. There can be a lot of logical instruction. And then there are also other instruction that are called as a shift instruction. So this is stand for logical shift.
Shift right.
Yes, logical shift
सर
right. Chief.
सर अगर आप माइंड ना करें तो नैरो वाला मार्कर थोड़ा यूज कर लें.
Logical shift right. So, okay, I can also type it. So if you look at this LSL, we can have this. So LSL stand for logical shift left, LSR stand for logical shift right, ASL stand for arithmetic shift left, ASR stand for arithmetic shift right. We also have in example ROL. So it stands for rotate left, and ROR it stands for rotate right. And now we will do different examples of these instructions. Okay, so a logical AND is very simple. So if you want to perform a logical AND operation, so actually if we have two operands, so if we have two operands, if you look at this, so if we have two operands, so now let's assume we are doing this shift and we are using R3, R2. So the AND operation will perform bit by bit AND operation. And notice AND operation, it is a logical AND operation. Logical AND operation. So now let's assume we have these contents. So now let's assume we have the contents of this. So okay, how many source registers are there? How many source operands are there? Which of them is a source operand?
Two source
R1
operands
is
है.
R1, two source operand, V15, V14, and then V13, and it will go on, and then it will go on till V01. So now let's assume we have another operand R2. R2, let's assume the contents of R2 is, let's assume A15, A13, and it will go on till A1, and then A. Okay, so now if we have, so what will be the new contents of R3? What will be the new contents of R3? So actually, let's assume this is C15. Now you have C15, then C14, then C13, and up to C01, and then C00. Okay, so the operation will be something like this. So it means that Ci will be equal to A I and bi. And what's the range of I? 0 is smaller or equal to I is smaller or equal to what? 15. It will perform a bit by bit operation. It will perform a bit by bit operation. So I is I, so it will perform a bit by bit operation. So now let's assume if the contents of R1 is 1, 0, 0, and so on, 0, 1, and the contents of R2 is 1, 1, 1, so 1, 0. What will be the contents? Let's assume this is the contents of R1. And now let's assume this is the contents of R2. So what will be the contents of R3? 1, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So it will perform an AND of these two, an AND of these two bits, an AND of these two bits, an AND of these two bits, and AND of these two bits. So if we AND 1 and 1, the answer will be 1, and 1 and 0 also will be 0. So these will be the contents of R3. So let's assume instead of AND, we have an OR. So if we have this operation like OR, this operand, or R4, R2, and R1. So what will be the content of R4? Wait a बताएं. 1, 1, 1, so on, and then 1 and 1. So the logical operation will perform a bit by bit operation. A bit by bit operation. The bit by bit operation can be an AND operation. The bit by bit operation can be an OR operation. The bit by bit operation can be an exclusive OR operation, or the bit by bit can be an exclusive NOR operation. बेटा समझ आ गई बेटा ये? Any question?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. आगे sir.
Okay. Okay. So now we can have an AND operation, we can have an OR operation, exclusive OR, and NAND operation. We can have NOR operation, and we can have a lot of logical operation. So now another example of this is the logical shift right. So how we can do this? Like, so now let's assume we have used a register R2. We are using the register R2. So this is your register R2. Okay, and then we are shifting it by 4 places. So logical shift left. LSL stand for? G. LSL stand for?
Logical shift left.
Logical shift. In a logical shift left, we shift the operand. The operand can be any addressing mode. We shift the operand, and where is the operand now? The operand in this particular example is R2. Shift the operand, operand R2 by how many places? 4 places, and insert 0. Insert 0 on the left or right?
Right.
No.
Oh,
L,
left, sorry.
LSL, and insert 0 on the left. Okay, so if this is the contents of R2 before the execution of this instruction, so what will be the contents of R2 after the execution of this instruction? So what will be the contents of R2? Say beta. How many 0 will be inserted?
4 zeros.
4 zeros.
4 zeros.
Yes. Okay. From the left or right?
Left.
From the left.
Left. So 4 0 will be inserted from the left. So 4 0 will be inserted from the left. 1 0 is inserted. Second 0 is inserted. Third 0 is inserted, and 4 zeros are inserted. Okay. So it means it. Okay. What is the size of R2 now? If 4 0 are inserted from the left, what is the size of R2 now? Originally it was 16 bit. If you look at this R2, how many bits are there?
16.
16. Yes. So if we insert 4 zeros from the left, what will be the size of the operand now? No, actually it should remain 16, but when 4 zeros are inserted, so we have to kick out the most significant 4 bits. What are the most
Yes.
significant 4 bits that we need to pick out? So we
B15,
need to
14,
pick
13, 12.
V4. So the new contents of R2 will be V11, V10, V9, V8, V7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, V0, and 0. So it means that 4 zeros. So if you look at this 4 zeros, so how many zeros we have inserted on the left?
4.
Why 4? Why 4? Why 4?
पर कंडीशन दी हुई है
Condition no. If it is hash 3, then how many zero we need to insert?
3.
3. Okay. So now if you look at this, then it. So now let's assume we study another instruction, that is logical shift right. So in this example, how many zero shift right and 3? So how many zeros will be inserted? 3
3.
zeros
3.
will be inserted. From the MSB side or the LSB side?
Right side.
MSB more significant bits, okay, from the bits. So actually, what will, let's assume this is the contents of, let's assume this is the contents of R5. Let's assume this is the content of R5 before the execution of this instruction. So what will be the contents of R5? What will be the content of R5? Any clue?
सर 15 14 इसमें से B0 B001 यहाँ से इनको हम पिक आउट कर देंगे
So it means that we need to push 3 zeros from the right. Okay. So 3 zeros inserted, 1, 2, and 3. And which bits will be kicked out?
तो 0 1 2
Least
0, 1.
significant.
The least significant bit will be kicked out, so it will be they'll be the new contents of R5. So if we look at this example, so how many zeros are inserted? 3 zeros are inserted. Why 3 zeros are inserted? Because we have mentioned in the operand that okay, it should be shift by 3 places. Okay, so you got the logical shift left and logical shift right, or not? जी बेटा, आवाज नहीं आ रही, फिर नहीं आ रही आप लोगों की आवाज। अब्दुल्ला
जी सर
किधर गए आप भाई, फिर गायब हो गए?
मैं सर इधर ही हूँ
इधर ही हैं, ठीक है, इधर ही रहे। So okay, now we do another we do another example. So we did it two examples. But one was logical shift left, and another was logical shift right. Okay. There are also examples in this note. So these are okay. So now, if you look at this example, logical shift left R3. So now this R3 with the hash of 6. If you look at hash, so the contents of R3 is, what is the contents of R3? If it is in hexadecimal, so 0 is means 0, 0, 4. Okay, this is 0, 4. Okay, so 0, 4, 7A. So these are the contents of R3 before. If you look at this, so it means that how many zeros are inserted? How many zeros are inserted? 6 zeros. So if you look at this, this is 0, this is 4, now this is 7, and now this is A. Okay, so if you look at this 1 0 1 0, so these are the last bits. If you look at here, so it's the last bit 1 0 1 0, so 1 0 1 0. So how many zeros are now inserted from the left? So how many zeros are inserted now? 6 zeros are inserted from the left. So it means that when 6 zeros are inserted, which will be removed? Which bits will be removed? These 6 bits will be removed. So these will be removed, and these 6 zeros are inserted. So the old contents is 047A. What is now the new contents? 1E80. So this is 1E8 and 0. Similarly, you have this example. So now if you look at this, what is this 0500? What is this 05000? What is this? Which addressing mode is this?
Direct.
Direct addressing mode. Okay, if you are using a direct addressing mode, so it means that we have some memory location. What is the address update memory location? 050000, and what is the value of that memory location? Let's assume the value is 3ABC, 3ABC. So if you write 3ABC, so actually it will be 0011. Am I right or not?
Right, sir.
Okay, so 30011 stand for 3, A 1010, B 1011, and C 1100. Am I right? So this is the old contents. So this, if you look at this, so this is the old content or new content? This one, old content or new content?
Old content.
Old content. Okay. Now how many zeros we are inserting from the left?
3.
3 from the left or from the right?
Left side.
Hmm?
Left side. Left side.
Left side. So 3 zeros will be inserted from the left side. 0, 0, 0. So how many zeros? How many bits will be removed from the right side? 3 bits.
3.
Okay. So what will be the new content now? Now we have to rearrange the data and present it in a binary form. Okay. So we make it a size of 4 bits each. 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 1, 0, 0. And then if we rearrange the data, so what are the new contents? What is this value? G. What is this value? 1101. It is actually D. And 01010?
5.
5.
5. And 1110?
E.
A. A.
E.
E.
It has
E.
0000.
0.
0.
So these are the new contents. So this is the new contents. So it means the
सर ये
new.
दोबारा पूछिएगा, इसकी समझ नहीं लगी.
Okay. So what is this 3? So actually this, if you look at this, the first one, what is this? This is 3. Am I right or not?
Yes sir.
A, B, and am I right or not here?
Yes sir.
Okay. So this is the old contents, and now we are shifting it by on the left by 3 positions. By 3 positions, so it means that we insert 3 zeros on the left. We insert 3 zeros here. We insert 3 zeros here. When
Yes,
we
sir.
insert 3 zeros, and how many? And then we remove this one. So if the new data will become like this, am I right or not? अब समझ आ गई बेटा या नहीं आया?
Yes सर, वो 1 यानी कि अगले में ऐड हो जाएगा जो उधर यानी कि लास्ट मौजूद था.
No, 3 bits have been removed. 001 is now removed. If you look at 001 is now removed. So from the right, 001 is removed. So now the new data is, if you look at this, so the new data is 1101. 1101 is D. बेटा समझ आई या नहीं आई समझ?
No sir.
अच्छा मैं दोबारा समझाता हूँ. कोई बात नहीं. If you want to learn, no problem. This has been removed. Am I right or not? Am I right or not?
Yes sir.
Okay, so if you look from the another position, so it means that the new data is now 1101. 1101 in the bottom. Right?
Yes sir.
So the next one is 0101. 01 110101 01. So this is 5. Am I right? The next data is
Yes, yes, sir.
1110. It's like this. Now you have this 0. So this 0 is combined with 3 other zeros. This one is the original 0, and now it is combined with 3 0. How many zeros are there now? 4 zeros.
Yes, sir.
आप समझ आई बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है बेटा, समझ आई या नहीं आई अभी?
आगे sir.
Good, very good. And sim is the same example. So now let's assume if you write shift R6 by 5. So this is the old contents. Okay, the old contents B. So this is B, old contents. The second data is C, B, C. The third is F. And then the fourth nibble is 2. So what you are doing? Logical shift right. You're inserting 5 zeros. How many zeros you are inserting? 5 zeros. So you are inserting 5 zeros. So you have inserted 5 zeros. Am I right or not? 5 zeros are inserted on the right. And what? How many zeros will? How many? Which bits will be removed? 5 bits will be removed. This will be removed. When it's removed, so it means that the new value will be 1011, 1011, then 1100, 1100, and so. If you look at this content, so it means that how many zeros are inserted from the right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now this is the new data. बेटा समझ आई या नहीं समझ आई?
आगे सर.
Okay. And now you can go through this different example where there are different examples, and you can do this. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of logical shift left? So in the logical shift left, what we are doing, that we are inserting zeros either from the left hand side, or we are inserting the zero on the right hand side. So okay. So the, one advantage of the logical shift left is that it can provide you a fast multiplication by the order of 2. It provides you a fast multiplication by the order of 2. I will explain this a little bit. So now let's assume a scenario. You say a logical shift left R1 with 2. Now let's assume the value of R1 before the execution of this instruction is, the value of R1 is, let's assume the value of R1 is 0, 0, 0, 0. So what will be stored in R1 now? What is stored in R1? Well, let's assume this is the contents of R1 before the execution of this instruction. So what are the contents of R1 in hexadecimal? 0, 0, 0, 2. Am I right or not?
Yes sir, right.
Okay. So now if I shift it from the left hand side by 2 places, so what will be the new contents of R1?
0 0 0. 0 0 0 0.
No. So we are shifting it by left. 2 zeros will be inserted. Am I right or not?
Right, sir.
And we will remove 2 0 from the right. So the new contents of R1. So the new contents of R1 will be like this. So the new content. So this is the old content. So the old content, and now what will be the new content?
8 0 0
0 0 0 8. So if you look at 0 0 to 8, so actually we write it like this, that if we say the logical shift left are any operand by n is actually multiplying operand by 2 raised to power n. Now if you look at here, so what is LSL? So now it means that LSL R1 hash 2 is actually multiplying, what is operand? R1. Operand is actually R1 by 2 raised to power what? What will be this? 2 raised to power 2. And what is 2 raised to power 2? 4.
4.
Am I right or not? It actually. So if you look at this, so it means that now the old contents is 2 and now the new contents is what? The new contents is now 8. So it means that actually the previous value is multiplied by what? By 4. Am I right or not? Am I right or not?
Right, sir.
Okay. Why this happens? Like why this happens? Actually, provided that the most significant bits are not removed. Sometimes it's also important if the most significant bits are 1, so it means that the data will be lost. Why it's like this? Why it is like this? Why it is like this? Why it is like this? Can anybody give me a logical answer to this?
सर क्योंकि वो बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करके 1 को आगे शिफ्ट कर रहा है ना, इसलिए वो, और जो बाइनरी में सारी 2 की,
वो तो ठीक है. Okay, आपकी बात सही है. Yes, it's shifting by 2. But why it is like this? Can anybody give me a clue why it is like this?
सर क्योंकि बाइनरी 2 की बेस में होता है.
2 की बेस में, I know, but why it is multiplying by 2 raised to power 2? Why by 2 raised to power and why? Can anybody give me a logical answer for this? Actually, when you convert a binary value into a decimal value, so what do? So it means you multiply it with a weight of 2 raised to power 0. Remember or not?
Bit
2
weight
raised
is
to power 1.
what you think.
Okay, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5, and this will go on. And the last one will be 2 raised to power 15. Am I right or not? The first weight is 1, the second weight is 2, the third weight is 4, the fourth weight is 8, the fifth weight is 16, the sixth weight is 32, and so forth, so on. Am I right or not? So if you shift it by 1, if you shift by 1, so the weight is increased from 1 to 2. Am I right? And if you shift by 2, so the weight is increased from 1 to 4. Am I right or not? आवाज आ रही बेटा या नहीं आ रही?
सर ये थोड़ी समझ नहीं आ रही.
यस सर, आ गई समझ.
देखिए बेटा. Okay. Now shift by, it is shift by 1. Shift by 1. When we are shifting by 1, so the initial weight was 1, and now you are shifting by left. So the weight is, so the one weight will it will go from B00. So it means the 0 is inserted here. Okay. So now let's assume if you shift by 1. So now give this. I give this example. If you shift by 1, let's assume you shift by 1. What will be the value if you shift by 1? So if you shift by 1, so what will be the last value? 0. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Okay. So now if you look at the weight of B0, so the weight of B0, if you look at B00, so the weight of B0 is shifted here, and B1 is shifted here, and B2 is shifted here, and B3 is shifted here. So the weight of each individual bit is increased by 1. So it means it is multiplication by 2. And please think when you go think today that how does it work, and you can take different examples, not only this example. If you shift by 2, so if you shift by 2, how many zeros will be inserted? 2 zeros will be inserted. So if you look at this example, so actually this is, in this example, this is shift by 1 or shift by 2?
1.
And the second one?
2.
By 2. So if you look at this, so now in the second example, so the weight B0 is from here, move from here to here. So its weight is move from 1 to 4. Am I right or not? Okay. Now if you look at B0, if you look at B01, so if it shift from here to here, so its weight is increased from 2 to what?
8.
2 to 8. And for B3, if we look at B3, it's moved from 4 to what?
6.
32. So it means it is a multiplication by 2. But special care should be made when considering the most significant bits. So now let's assume that if at the most significant bit you have a, if you have a 0 at the most significant bit, so it really the data will not be lost. But if you have the most significant bit is 0, okay, it will be multiplication by 2 to the power n. But if the most significant bit is 1, the most significant bit is 1, so it means the most significant bit will be lost. So there is also an overflow. And remember that if you remember last time, I told you that when we multiply 2 n-bit number, what will be the result? If you remember, if you multiply 2 n-bit number, what will be the size, maximum size of the result operand?
2n.
2n. Let's assume. So now let's assume. Okay. Now if any even if you have this instruction like logical shift left R5 has 16. What will be the contents of R5? So let's assume the contents of R5 is this. Let's assume these are the contents of R5 before the execution of this instruction.
सब 0 हो जाएगा.
R5. So the new contents will be R5. All the contents will be then
0.
0, 0, 0. Because how many zeros are we inserting? 16 zeros. So when we insert 16 zero from the left, so all of the bits will be lost. So actually, whenever you want to use logical shift left, you should take a special care that the data is not lost. You should know the range of your data. You should know the range of your data. If you know the range of your data, you can do a fast multiplication. So it provides you a fast logical shift left provide you a fast multiplication. Fast multiplication by the order of 2 to the power n. So now let's assume if we want to, okay, now if we want to multiply, okay, if we want to multiply R4 by 9, how we can do? How can we can do that? By 10, let's do. How we can do this? We want to multiply R4 by 10. जी कैसे करेंगे? Because logical shift left provide you a multiplication of 2 raised to the power n.
5 multiply कर और 5 0
हैश 5 कर देंगे.
Hash 5
5
कर देंगे तो वो तो multiply.
LSM.
If we hash 5, so it means okay. If we have hash 5, okay, you said hash 5. So hash 5 is means multiply by 2 raised to the power 5.
सर 32 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा फिर.
वो 32 से हो जाएगा बेटा.
जी सर.
सर फिर इसको कंपार्ट में करना पड़ेगा.
कैसे पार्ट में करना पड़ेगा? हाँ, you are right. Very good. आप अप्रोच राइट है. हाँ.
सर 2 की पावर 3 एक पे कर लेंगे ना.
So we can we do it like this? First multiply.
सर पहले 2 की पावर
by 8
से कर लेंगे.
Then multiply by 2 and then add both of them. Am I right or not?
Right, sir.
Okay, can we do it like this? Okay, so now if you look at, if we want to multiply R4 by 4, can we write like this? Logical shift left, R5, R4, hash 3. So now R4 is the source operand. So now this is the source operand. Source operand. And what is R5?
Destination.
Destination operand. So it means that what will be the contents of R5 now? What will be the contents of R5? Eight multiplied by R4. Am I right or not?
Ji sir.
Okay. So if you do it like this now, if you do it another, if you write another instruction, logical shift left, R6, R4, hash 1. Now what is the contents of R6? ये बताएं. जी, what will be the contents of R6?
So 2.
2 what?
So 2
So
into
2
R4.
4.
2 into R4. So 2
Very
into
good.
R4.
2 multiplied by R4. Now what should we do now?
Add, sir.
Add what?
R5 and R6.
R5 and R6.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So add. We can store this result in another register, R7,
R7.
R5, and R6. So if we add these two, instructions, so now you have another register R7. Okay. And now what will be the new contents of R7?
10.
R4.
ठीक है बेटा? ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So now in this way we actually first it's very important that you should take care in when you're writing this code. So before you should take care that the data is not lost. The data is not lost. Okay, it's very important that the data is not lost. Why the data is not lost? The data, if you shift by more and if there are if the most significant bits are 1, so it means in that case the data will be lost. So the range of R4 should be less before doing all these kind of operation. बेटा समझ आ गई या नहीं समझ आ गया? आवाज आ रही है बेटा?
आगे समझ, sir.
ठीक है. The data is not lost. Okay. Now if we say that if we multiply by 2 to the power n, so the logical shift left is actually multiplied by 2 to the power n. So what should be the logical shift right? Ji, what should be the logical shift right? जी बताइए बेटा. If I write it like this, logical shift right operand hash n. What will be the this operation? We are decreasing the weight or increasing the weight? If you're shifting on the right, so it will be a multiplication. It will be multiplication or division?
Division.
So logical shift right is actually dividing what? By what?
By 2 raised power n.
So n. So now let's assume a scenario. So let's assume the scenario. Let's assume we have logical shift right R8 and with the value of 3. So now let's assume that the value of R8 is. Now let's assume that the value of R8 is. Value of R8 is like this. So now let's assume. let's assume it is 1 and 1. So now let's assume we have the value of R8 and now 2 zeros are here. Okay. So now this is the value of R8 before the execution of this instruction. So the value of R8 in decimal. So now it is the decimal value. Okay. So the decimal, I'm writing the decimal value. So what is the decimal value? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 32, 64 and
64
128.
और 128 को ऐड करके 7
64 और 128 को अगर आप ऐड कर लें तो now what is the result? 192. Am I right or not?
राइट सर.
So the decimal value is 192. And if we right shift it by 3, right shift by 3, so it means how many zeros we are inserting now?
3
3 zeros from the left or on the right?
right side,
Right side, 3 zeros are inserted. How many zeros will be removed?
3 left side from.
3 will be removed from the left hand side. Actually, what you can do, now you can rearrange the data. You can rearrange the data now. And after rearranging the data, now this is the new contents. So this is the new contents of R8. Okay, and what will be the new contents of R8 in decimal?
24.
24.
So this is 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 16, 24. Yes, 24. So it actually, if it is, so this is actually, if you look at this, so this is divide by what? 2 is 4, 3, which is
8.
8. So if we divide 192 by 8, the result will be
24.
and the same reason why it is actually the actually division adopted by 2 to the power n. So if we are shifting on the right, are we decreasing the weight or increasing the weight?
Decreasing the weight.
Decreasing.
Actually we are decreasing the weight. If we are decreasing the weight. G, any question? Any question? Okay, now we studied, if you look at this, we studied the logical shift left, logical shift right, then we studied okay, what is arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right? जी बताएं बेटा. जी, Ani, what is the difference between the logical shift left and arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right? जी बताएं बेटा.
सर वो काउंटिंग की तरह होगा अरिथमेटिक शिफ्ट.
इसमें क्या है?
इसके जैसे हम 1 2 3 काउंट करते हैं वैसे काउंटिंग की तरह शिफ्ट होगा.
No,
लॉजिकल तो
no. There is a reason. There is a reason for this. There is a reason for this.
तो उसमें डेसिमल शिफ्टिंग होगी शायद.
नहीं, उसमें भी shifting होगी. Like actually, the why there's the problem. The problem is when there is a sign representation. Okay, so I will give this with an example. I will give you this example. So now, whenever you will do the logical shift left and the logical shift right for unsigned integers. So actually, I'm writing it like, and logical shift right should be for unsigned data. What about the signed data? If we have a signed data, what is, how do we represent the signed data?
सर जो MSF उसकी होती है तो वो
Yes.
मतलब 1 हो तो
If-
नेगेटिव होती है.
So if MSB is 1, then the result is negative or positive?
सर नेगेटिव.
Result is negative. If MSB is 0,
रिजल्ट इज पॉजिटिव.
then result is positive. Do you agree with this or not? So now let's assume we have a data. Now let's assume we have a data of R5. Let's assume we have some data. Now this is our data. Okay. Okay. So we have this data R5. This is positive or negative? ये बताएं. It is positive or positive?
Positive.
Positive.
Okay. So if we perform the logical shift left on this, it will not be a problem. But let's assume we have this data. 7. 7 is the register, and then we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So this result is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So if we perform a logical shift left for this data, so if we perform a logical shift left, for data, a logical shift left by 1. So will the contents of R7 remain positive or negative?
Positive हो जाएंगे.
It will become positive. It will become positive. So actually the negative number will
सर
become
यहाँ
positive.
ओवरफ्लो वाला सिचुएशन नहीं बनेगी
इसमें
इसमें मतलब
नहीं ओवरफ्लो
ओके सर समझ गया.
उसमें वो तो ओवरफ्लो आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि you should know the range of the data. You should know the range of the data. It's not even the overflow. It means that the negative number will become a positive. No, yes, you are also right. But if you do the logical shift left operation, maybe the overflow is 1. But for arithmetic shift left, what do you do? Arithmetic shift left में क्या करेंगे आप? What will you do arithmetic shift left? जी बताएं बेटा. And what about arithmetic shift right? Achha, let's assume if we do logical shift right #1, what is the problem?
सर वो
जी बेटा बताएं.
लास्ट बिट कोई जा नहीं सकेगा, मतलब
लास्ट बिट क्या होगी?
डिस्कार्ड हो जाएगी.
लास्ट बिट जो होगी वो एक्चुअली it will a 0 will be inserted. When a 0 will be inserted on the sense, it means that a 0 will be inserted, so the negative number will become a positive number. Am I right or not?
Yes sir.
Right, sir.
So to perform this operation, you do the arithmetic shift right. So in ASR, so now let's assume if we do ASR R7 with hash of 2. So what does it perform? R7 hash of 2. So let's say, now I'm writing this in different representation, not in 1 and 0 representation. So now let's assume this is the contents of R7. So this is the old contents. So these are the old contents. So then what will be the new contents of R7? Can you predict the new contents? जी बेटा बताएं.
सर लॉजिकल शिफ्ट यूज कर देता है.
No, we are using arithmetic shift right.
सर राइट अरिथमेटिक शिफ्ट राइट में क्या कहते हैं, जो मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट है वो सेम रह जाता है, बाकी सारे एक आगे मूव कर जाते हैं।
Hmm.
तो ये
So the most
two
significant
आगे
bit will same. So it will actually insert instead of it will replicate B15. So actually this will be replicated with B15. Actually B15 instead of replicating 0, so it will replicate B15. So it will B15, B15 and B15 and B14 and so forth. And then 2 zeros will be removed from the right, B01 and 0. So actually it will be, they will be removed. Right or not? So in the previous example, what were we inserting? What were we inserting from the right hand side? In the previous example,
0
Zeros.
2 zeros. But in this example, what we are inserting?
सर 1
MSB की जो
Not one.
value,
No,
MSB की जो
MSB
value
picking,
भी,
the value of MSB. So it means
Yes,
that
sir.
we are inserting B15 and what is B15? Value of MSB. So it means that if MSB is 1, now there are two possibilities. So there are two possibilities. B15 can either be a logical 0 or B15 can either be a logical 1. बेटा समझ आ रही है नहीं आ रही समझ?
yes sir.
Okay, so now there are two scenarios and now we are studying this scenario. In the first scenario, if MSB is 1,
Excuse me.
जी बेटा मैं थोड़ा सा लिख लूं फिर बाद में इस बात सॉल्व कीजिएगा. If MSB is 0, then the outcome of logical shift right and arithmetic shift right is same. Am I right or not?
Right sir.
Okay, but if MSB is 1, then MSB in 1 then is जी आप बेटा सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, बताएं बेटा.
सर वो हमारी क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई है, क्विज है.
क्विज है, अच्छा चलो ठीक है. So we are ending it now. ठीक है, और we will continue on in the
Sir,
next week. ठीक है.
सर जो इस वीक हमारी 2 क्लासेस नहीं हुई, ये 22 लेक्चर आपने करवाया हमें आज.
हाँ ये नहीं